Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Panchgani and Mahabaleshwar are treasures of nature waiting to be explored. If you are planning a visit, let me guide you through some must-visit spots. In this video, we'll explore serene beauty of Parsi Point and the enchanting Lingmala Waterfalls. Okay, so our first stop is Parsi Point, a popular viewpoint located at just 2 kilometers from Panchgani. The reason you're finding very less crowd here is because we have reached here on a weekday, and that too very early morning. From here you can enjoy breathtaking views of the Krishna Valley and the sparkling Dhom backwaters. This spot is perfect for photography lovers and those who want to simply soak in the serenity of nature. And the pro tip here is visit early mornings or during sunset for the best views. I am here setting up my drone to show you views you won't want to miss. This place is a photographer's paradise, and the aerial perspective makes it even more magical. From above, you can truly appreciate the vastness of this landscape. The view is especially stunning during sunrise or sunset, with the warm hues adding a magical touch. Now we are going back to second place, Lingmala Waterfalls. Now, our next destination is the stunning Lingmala Waterfalls, which is just 6 kilometers from Mahabaleshwar. The journey to the falls takes you through scenic trails surrounded by lush greenery. So we have reached this Lingmala Waterfalls. We have parked our vehicle here. Here they have charged 50 rupees per person. So here we were first to reach. We are only opening the gate. We should walk a little bit. Then 500 meters. We do have climbing we have from there to there. काफी छोटा है. ये प्लेस ऐसा सा कुछ है. 500 मीटर अंदर चलना होगा. देखते हैं कैसा है वाटरफॉल. ये व्यू थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. Reaching Lingmala requires a short trek, so make sure to wear comfortable footwear and carry water. The best time to visit is during monsoon or early winters when the waterfall is at its peak. Okay, यहाँ पे कुछ लिखा है Lingmala Waterfall Mini Waterfall and Pool from the okay. So basically there are two sections here. The main waterfall which plunges dramatically from a height of around 500 feet, and a smaller one perfect for those who want to dip their feet in the cool water. Now after walking a bit, you could see this side. थोड़ा और चल के देखते हैं. तो होटल का नाम क्या था? So finally we have reached the waterfall. Waterfall, the main waterfall. Okay, approximately 500 feet. So अभी हम waterfall देखते हैं. Let's see how it is. Although drones aren't allowed here to preserve the natural environment, the beauty of Lingmala Waterfalls is best experienced up close. The sound of water and the lush greenery create a calming vibe which you won't forget. Okay, यहाँ से हम आए थे, अब रिटर्न जाना होगा. Alright, done with this place. Going to next place. Use first gear, okay. As we were heading back, we noticed some interesting signboards. One advised drivers to switch to first gear while climbing due to steep incline. Definitely a first one for me. And surprisingly, there was a signboard stating CNG vehicles aren't allowed here. So if you are visiting in your vehicle, do keep this in mind. So thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which spot you'd like to visit first. Stay tuned for more amazing places in the next video.